After closing January with a combination of consolidation and short-term gains, investors are now closely watching whether February could mark the beginning of a stronger bullish phase. A well-known crypto founder recently released a bold price prediction suggesting that XRP might be preparing for a major surge. This forecast is generating excitement, speculation, and careful analysis among both retail and institutional investors. So in this video, we are going to break down XRP's recent performance, analyze the prediction, and explore the factors that could drive its price movement in the coming weeks. So, how did XRP perform in January 2026 and why does it matter? Throughout January, XRP traded within a relatively controlled range, fluctuating between approximately $1.60 and $2.10, with brief peaks reaching $2.41 and lows around $1.54. This type of market behavior is commonly referred to as consolidation, where an asset stabilizes after previous price movements. Consolidation periods often indicate that the market is building strength before making its next major move. From a market impact perspective, this stability is significant because it demonstrates strong support levels. When an asset maintains consistent support, it suggests that buyers are actively defending that price range. Additionally, XRP continued to attract both retail investors and institutional participants, showing sustained market interest. Controlled volatility also signals growing maturity and trading activity, which can encourage long-term investors to enter the market with more confidence. So, what is the new XRP price prediction for February 2026? The founder of Phoenix Reborn, known online as Extra VOD or VOD, recently released a bold forecast stating that XRP's bottom price could settle between $1.23 and $1.30, followed by a potential surge toward $4.20 up to $10. Considering XRP is currently trading near $1.61, this prediction suggests a possible massive upward movement if bullish momentum strengthens. This type of projection plays an important role in market psychology. Price predictions from recognized analysts often influence investor sentiment. When traders begin expecting higher price targets, buying activity may increase as investors attempt to position themselves before a potential rally. However, predictions also introduce volatility as traders react differently depending on their risk tolerance and investment strategy. So, can institutional investment and whale activity push XRP higher? One major factor supporting XRP's bullish outlook is increasing institutional interest. Recent improvements in ETF inflows indicate that large financial entities are allocating capital into crypto-related products. When institutional funds enter the market, they often reduce the available supply of tokens on exchanges. Reduced supply combined with steady demand typically leads to upward price pressure. Additionally, whale accumulation is another strong indicator of potential growth. Large investors have been steadily acquiring XRP, demonstrating long-term confidence in the asset. A recent report even highlighted a whale opening $2.17 million long position on XRP. These massive trades often help stabilize the market during consolidation periods and can trigger rapid price increases once bullish momentum returns. So, do technical indicators support a bullish XRP scenario? Technical analysis is also providing encouraging signals for XRP. The asset has successfully maintained its key support levels over the past month. Some analysts have identified an Elliott wave pattern, which is a technical framework used to predict market cycles. According to one projection, this pattern could push XRP toward $7, placing it within the predicted bullish range. Momentum indicators further suggest that XRP could experience accelerated growth if it successfully breaks resistance near $2. A strong breakout above resistance often attracts new buyers and short-term traders who monitor these key price zones. However, analysts emphasize the importance of monitoring trading volume, as rising volume is necessary to confirm whether a breakout is sustainable or temporary. So, could short-term pullbacks still happen before XRP rises? Despite the optimistic outlook, investors must also prepare for possible short-term corrections. The prediction suggests XRP could temporarily decline toward $1.23 to $1.30 range before beginning its upward climb. Pullbacks are common in cryptocurrency markets and are often considered healthy because they allow the market to reset and attract new buyers at lower price levels. Historically, XRP has demonstrated the ability to recover quickly from temporary declines. Combined with continued institutional involvement and whale accumulation, these dips could create strategic accumulation opportunities for investors positioning themselves for long-term growth. And finally, my own personal opinion about this is that XRP appears to be entering a very critical phase in its market cycle. The combination of a strong technical support, growing institutional involvement, and consistent whale accumulation creates a foundation that could support significant price growth. However, cryptocurrency markets remain highly unpredictable, and investors should remain cautious while monitoring key resistance levels and trading volume confirmation. If XRP successfully breaks above major resistance zones, the bullish projections discussed in this video could become increasingly realistic in the coming months. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one.